MTN new APN or MMS settings for 2026, which will unlock faster 4G LTE speed. So first, on your phone, you need to open up your settings and then select the SIM cards and mobile network. Select the SIM and network settings and choose the network that you want to change the APN settings for. I'll select the first one. Go with APN. If you don't find the APN settings, you can just simply go with your settings and search for APN and you will find the option. Once you're in your access point names, there will be a plus button down where you can add a new APN. So go with new APN, which will be in the bottom. But if you want to modify the APN you already have, then you can click on APN settings and you'll already have the settings option. Then you can follow me as I'll show you. So for fast internet, you need to just simply go with name. And here you need to enter MTN fast internet. After that, tap on OK. Once you've done with the name, you need to go with APN. Under APN, you need to enter wegprs.nigeria.net and then tap on OK. Once done, you need to go with port, and under port, you need to enter 8080 and tap on OK. Once done, you need to go with username. Under username, you need to go with web. After that, you need to go with password, and under password, go with the same one, which is web. Scroll down, go with mmsc, and here you need to enter https 10.199.212.8/serviets/MMS and tap on OK. And then you need to go with MMS proxy, and here you need to enter 10.199.212.8. And once done, you need to just simply go with save, or just go back and then save changes to APN, and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can enjoy fast 4G speed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.